Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into all things tech. Today, we're going to talk about a webcam that's been making waves in the streaming and video conferencing world, the Logitech C920. But wait, there's a twist. We're reviewing the Y&R bundles version, and it's packed with some fantastic extras. Before we jump into the details, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews. Now, let's get started. Introducing the Y&R bundles Logitech C920, the all-in-one webcam that's ready to level up your video quality right out of the box. This bundle comes with everything you need for high-definition recording, streaming, and video calling, and we're here to tell you all about it. Let's take a look at the key features that set the Y&R bundles Logitech C920 apart. Get ready for crystal clear visuals thanks to the full HD glass lens. Whether you're streaming, video calling, or recording, you'll appreciate the stunning image quality. Enjoy premier stereo sound quality with the dual built-in microphones. Say goodbye to the need for a separate microphone or headset. This bundle includes an adjustable tripod that's perfect for custom setups. With a 360-degree rotation and a 90-degree tilt, you can position your webcam exactly how you want it. Worried about privacy? The C920 comes with a detachable privacy shutter cover. Easily attach or detach it to block the camera when not in use or when you want to use just the microphone. The Y&R bundles Logitech C920 is compatible with Windows 8 or later, macOS 10.10 or later, and Chrome OS. Setting it up with your desktop or laptop is a breeze. To wrap it up, the Y&R bundles Logitech C920 is a fantastic addition to your tech setup. With its full HD lens, stereo sound, adjustable tripod, and privacy features, it's a versatile webcam that's ready to go right out of the box. If you're ready to take your video quality to the next level, the C920 is a top-notch choice. That's a wrap for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more tech reviews, innovative product insights, and exciting tech updates, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring the world of gadgets with us.